This 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 29 UDQL5 double slide, rear 10 feet cargo area is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, TV, self-contained, slide-out, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 29 UDQL5 double slide, rear 10 feet cargo area is 10,810 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.